Paper manufacturing creates many things, including money. But US currency is not made from wood. It is actually
When examining the currency, we look for key identifiers. Notice the distinct watermark clearly visible in the backlit $100 bill.
To verify authenticity, hold the bill to the light. The embedded security thread and the faint watermark image are difficult to counterfeit.
The security thread is visible under UV light. Additionally, the blue three-dimensional security ribbon is woven.
The intricate details of the currency are scanned before the engraving process begins, a meticulous art form requiring immense focus.
After printing, every sheet is meticulously inspected. The intricate design of the dollar bill makes it incredibly difficult to counterfeit.
This machine, weighing 70 tons and spanning 50 feet, is capable of printing 10,000 sheets per hour.
This is the intaglio printing process, used for Federal Reserve notes and United States currency like the $100 bill.
The process concludes with the application of critical security features, including the distinct wavy security thread. The serial numbers, the Treasury seal, the Federal Reserve seal, and the identification numbers are all key security features.
These calibration targets ensure print quality. And here we see the color shifting ink, a key security feature on the new $100 note.
The $20 bill incorporates advanced security features. Observe the intricate color-shifting ink and the inspecting.
Every single note is checked for imperfections before it leaves the facility.
The intricate details and security threads are checked, both digitally and by trained human eyes.
From the initial print run to meticulous inspection, every sheet of currency undergoes rigorous quality control.
Once printed, the massive volume of currency must be securely transported to the Federal Reserve banks.